Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to set default program on Mac. So to do this, you just need to go to the file. For example, I want to set the default program to open videos on my Mac. So I just need to go, and after that select or click on your video. After that, click with the right click like that, and after that click on option. And when you click on option, I will show you here. If you just only click with the right with the right click, it show you open with. You can choose whatever program to open this video with it for only one time. But if you want to set the default program, you just click on option, and as you can see, this changed to always open with. So always open with will set the default program for your opening video or opening pictures, music, or whatever you want. So this is the first option. The second option is go and right click on your file, video, or whatever. Click on get info, and here, as you can see, open with, there is an option called open with here. You have to click on it and choose the program that you want to set by default to open this type of files. Of course, each type of file have his unique program that you can set it as default program to open this type of files. So the other option, if you want to change the default browser for you, you just need to go to click on the Apple logo, and after that click on System Settings, and here on the Search tab click Default or Write Default, and as you can see here, there is an option called Default Web Browser. Click on it, and after that scroll a little bit up and you will find here an option called Default Web Browser. Just click on it and choose the web browser that you wanted as default web browser on your MacBook. I wish that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.